Imagination is more important than knowledge. Albert Einstein. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to you. Neil deGrasse Tyson. Science is the poetry of reality. Richard Dawkins. The most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible. Albert Einstein. We are all connected to each other, biologically, to the Earth, chemically, to the rest of the universe atomically. Neil deGrasse Tyson. The good thing about science is that it's true whether or not you believe in it. Neil deGrasse Tyson. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Albert Einstein. Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. Albert Einstein. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. Albert Einstein. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. Albert Einstein. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Albert Einstein. The universe doesn't owe us condolence or consolation. It doesn't owe us a nice warm feeling inside. Richard Dawkins. To confine our attention to terrestrial matters would be to limit the human spirit. Stephen Hawking. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. Carl Sagan. Reality is that which, when you stop believing in it, doesn't go away. Philip K. Dick. Physics is like sex. Sure, it may give some practical results, but that's not why we do it. Richard P. Feynman. The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. Richard P. Feynman. Not only is the universe stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine. Sir Arthur Eddington. Nature uses only the longest threads to weave her patterns, so that each small piece of her fabric reveals the organization of the entire tapestry. Richard P. Feynman. Science is the great antidote to the poison of enthusiasm and superstition. Adam Smith. Einstein was a giant. His head was in the clouds, but his feet were on the ground. Those of us who are not so tall have to choose. Richard P. Feynman. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance, it is the illusion of knowledge. Stephen Hawking. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Carl Sagan. The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know. Albert Einstein. I think nature's imagination is so much greater than man's, she's never going to let us relax. Richard P. Feynman. Science knows no country, because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. Louis Pasteur. The universe seems neither benign nor hostile, merely indifferent. Carl Sagan. The good thing about science is that it's true whether or not you believe in it. Neil deGrasse Tyson. The saddest aspect of life right now is that science gathers knowledge faster than society gathers wisdom. Isaac Asimov. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Albert Einstein. Science is simply common sense at its best, that is, rigidly accurate in observation and merciless to fallacy in logic. Thomas Henry Huxley. The universe is not required to be in perfect harmony with human ambition. Carl Sagan. The more precisely the position is determined, the less precisely the momentum is known in this instant, and vice versa. Werner Heisenberg. There are no extra pieces in the universe. Everyone is here because he or she has a place to fill, and every piece must fit itself into the big jigsaw puzzle. Deepak Chopra. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla. The universe is full of magical things, patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Eden Philpotts. The scientist is not a person who gives the right answers, he's one who asks the right questions. Claude Lévi-Strauss. We are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of a very average star. But we can understand the universe. That makes us something very special. Stephen Hawking. The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space. Carl Sagan. Science is not only a disciple of reason, but also one of romance and passion. Stephen Hawking. Science does not know its debt to imagination. Ralph Waldo Emerson. In physics, you don't have to go around making trouble for yourself. Nature does it for you. Frank Wilczek. The universe is transformation. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Marcus Aurelius. The universe is not only queerer than we suppose, but queerer than we can suppose. J.B.S. Haldane. Every atom in your body came from a star that exploded. And the atoms in your left hand probably came from a different star than your right hand. It really is the most poetic thing I know about physics. You are all stardust. Lawrence M. Krauss. The universe is made of stories, not of atoms. Muriel Rukeyser. The important achievement of Apollo was demonstrating that humanity is not forever chained to this planet, and our visions go rather further than that, and our opportunities are unlimited. Neil Armstrong. The universe is a big place, perhaps the biggest. Kurt Vonnegut. The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself. Carl Sagan. The smallest indivisible natural phenomenon is a human being. Nikola Tesla.